Hi guys, we're out here at Campers Inn. Today going to take a look at a awesome little Winnebago Class A. So stick around, don't go anywhere. I'm on the hitch. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, then thanks for showing up. If you're coming back for another video, we appreciate you coming back and watching. Do us a favor, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. Like, comment, all the things. Those are the things that YouTube really likes, that shares our videos around. So it takes just a few seconds, doesn't cost you anything. So please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's get on with it. Hey guys, so we are out here. I apologize for any road noise, but we are out here at Campers Inn, Ackworth, Georgia, looking at this 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B. And it is a short little thing, but got a lot packed into it. So really nice looking. Now it is a gas coach, gas motorhome. So if you're looking for diesel, this is not the coach for you. So this front area is going to slide out like it does on most coaches. I believe that's where you're going to find your engine and your generator. Moving around the side. Huge slide on this side. It's the only slide in this unit, but it goes basically from behind the driver's seat all the way down the sidewall. Starting over here, you're going to see you got your cameras there. So when you change your lanes, putting on blinkers, whatever, you can see if there's anything beside you. Nice Goodyear tires. And let's see what's under here. That's locked. Oh, no, it's not. All right, this compartment right here underneath the slide is access to your propane and your hydraulics for your leveling. There's back your water heater right there. Let's check this big storage out. Pretty large carpeted bottom. You got some circuit breakers there, push to reset circuit breakers. One thing I will notice on these storage doors, if you look at the this lip right here, it's a little false intention, I think, maybe, because the door is like half that thick. They put this big lip on it to make it kind of seem thicker, I think. All right, so this is going to be your water station. A nice light in there, got a filter, all your dump valves, shower, all your water valves. You got a control for the water pump out here, black tank flush, black drain, gray drain. I always say this in our reviews, especially on fifth wheels and travel trailers, that I like when the water bay is separate, walled off from everything else. So if you have an issue here, it doesn't run your cargo. Moving on down. All right, carpeted storage there, very nice. There's your gasoline fill. Let's see, power cord there, 50 amp. And what's in the back? There it is. There's the Awning QG5500 generator that is in there. It's not in the front, so everything that is in the front is just for the coach engine. All right, coming around the back, got a ladder all the way to the roof for the walk-on roof. Got a slide topper across the whole slide here. Well, that's really nice. Exhaust is coming out the back for that Awning generator. There's the back of your furnace. You got your hitch down there for towing your toad. Man, where's that lady at? Where's that other lady at? This guy sucks. And for those of you wondering, Melissa is not here today. She is dealing with some pretty exciting stuff we got going on. So there'll be some announcements coming up for that. So that's what she's doing right now. And that is why she's not here. She will be back. I hope she didn't run off. Now on this side, got another awning, or got a awning. Covers about 3/4 of the side of the coach. Very nice. Do like this giant outside kitchen they got. So little fridge, slide up tray there. That's real nice. water faucet and some drawers. Just enough to kind of be able to prep a little meal outside. So there's a TV behind there, and that is locked, so I can't get to it. Just like the other side, just a small carpeted storage. All right. Got an inverter in here, as well as a very large storage. Have to be careful right there, though, so you don't pull in and start doing stuff and catch your leg on that exhaust. So that's a really big storage, both those doors. A lower window for the dog. Speaking of dog, some leash tie outs right there. Let's open this door up. Oh yeah, power steps, love that. And maximum cargo is 1,625 pounds. 1,625 pounds. As you open the door, you got your battery, house batteries and coach batteries right there. Access panel for underneath, maybe shoe storage. I'll start up front. Beautiful, you know, from Winnebago, what you would expect. It's got the gasoline cab here. I think the diesel pusher is just a little bit different. To your Bluetooth stereo. Does have a little bit of a doghouse hump there. Some coaches are trying to do away from those, but that's really not that big. Got an area right there for a table to go in, so that's cool. Over here on the passenger seat, little fold down desk area, which is cool. Taking a look above the door. Let's see what we got there. Satellite receiver system. Interesting. Some cable jacks there. Pre-wired for satellite. That's kind of thoughtful. A few key ring hooks, I guess. I guess you could hang coats up there. That would be kind of in the way. Inside of the door. That's a nice little shade there. Oh, it's magnetic, I see. Oh! All right, the door. Nice little shade, pull down shade there on the door when you look at that. Grab that, up it goes. All right, so if you look up there at top, you're gonna see the bed. They can come down as well for extra sleeping, storage, whatever you may need. And that's probably a full size, and you got a lot of cubbies in there, some speakers, a little area that you could probably put a small TV outlet in there. Air conditioning vent, lights along the top there. So if you got somebody staying there. A nice little jackknife sofa right here that pulls out pretty easily. Cabinets above that. And these are pretty nice cabinets. Got a dinette. It's got some built-in cup holders there. Looks like that whole thing will slide down, of course, turn into a bed. Cabinets above, and your TV, which is on a swivel arm over there. Below, you have some more push button, push to reset circuit breakers, and the other, like 110 breakers, are behind that panel right there, and it just pops off. All right, so looking into the kitchen, I'm going to find a lot of storage, a lot of great storage. All the drawers have a good positive catch. They're not soft close. There's a whole slew of remote controls. And this is plastic center layer that's going to break. So not super enthused about that, but all the drawers and doors have those. So probably something you're going to want to watch out for. Nice sink with the faucet there. Stainless steel sink with cutting board and boards to cover up with. $198,076. $198,076. I'm sure you can get it for less than that here at Campers Inn in Ackworth, Georgia. It's like a solid surface countertop, high point induction or high point convection microwave, excuse me. True induction cooktop with a single gas burner. Gives you the best of both worlds. Again, more large drawers here. On this side, you got your light switches, water heater, water pump, power control system, your generator control, inverter control. Got a ZAMP solar charge controller. There's, I believe, one panel on the roof. This is a 30 amp charge controller. Showing full right now, full batteries. All right, Norcold Fridge. This is... All right, so we got a Norcold Fridge. These are becoming more and more popular in all these RVs. Yep, 12-volt fridge. Very interesting. Go into the bathroom here. That's interesting. So you got a towel bar here, thoughtful, on the door, already there. Controls for the lights, and there's a water pump control in here. So I guess if you're boondocking and you don't want to keep the water pump on all the time, and you've got it off and you need to use the restroom, when you go in, you can turn it on and then turn it back off. So that's pretty interesting. Shower. Open up shower. Shower door. There we go. So, nice shower. Size, anyway. So turning around, plenty of cabinets for your storage here. Toilet paper installed. Very nice. Nice sink. That beautiful guy doesn't come with it, though. Small little medicine cabinet there and a bigger cabinet here. Foot flush toilet comes already installed with a bidet sprayer. Yep. Spray your bidet down. That's for your bits. Where is the hall light? Oh, there it is. All right, hall light's on. Into the bedroom is a queen bed, and it's high up off the ground. So it's got a sliding door there that separates this off for privacy. Next to the fridge. Oh, that's a nice little touch. Some Winnebago baskets there. So you'll see plenty of storage. You got storage. There's a whole open compartment there. Drawers next to the bed. Little cabinets above. Each side has like a little shelf, plugs, USB, CPAP shelf, padded headboard, and this is going to raise up. Got some struts there. Nice storage underneath. This is going to be the ladder. It's going to hook on to the above cab bed back there. Should you need it. That back window is going to be an emergency exit. All the windows here. Got these nice privacy shades. Just roll down like that, give you some privacy. Looking across from the bed, you're going to find the TV. Two very large drawers on that side with four more right here. The one thing I did not see in these hanging closets is any type of washer dryer hookup. So I don't know if that's an option that you can get, but it is not optioned in this coach. Gonna have air conditioner in the bedroom, air conditioner in the main part of the coach, living area. Of course, your fan out here above the kitchen cooking area. So a very nice little gas coach. Definitely something that you can have a great time in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss those. And we will be back soon. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is an awesome little Class A unit here at Campers Inn in Ackworth, Georgia. You guys take care of each other, love each other, make every moment count. We'll see you soon, guys.